In this video, I'll show you how to change the combination on your master padlock. So as you can see, this lock is fully locked. If I pull on the shackle, it's not going anywhere. And in order to open this from the factory, the default code is 0000, so 4 zeros. And that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to go ahead and change this to all zeros, and you can see it's lining up with that red line, and we have 4 zeros here. And now if I pull on the shackle, you can see that it opens. So again, 0000 is the default code. Now in order to change this, we're going to go ahead and rotate the shackle 90 degrees and press down on it. So as you can see, I pressed down, you heard it click, and you can see it's down. You don't have to keep holding it down like I'm doing here, but you can see that the shackle is all the way down. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and input your new code. For this example, I'm going to put all ones, as you can see here. So it's 1111. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and pull the shackle up and go ahead and close it. So now once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and just scramble the numbers here, and it's back to 111, and you can see that it opens. So it's very easy to do. And to recap, all you need to do is go ahead and open the padlock, move the shackle 90 degrees to the right, and then press down on it and go ahead and set the new combination. In this video, I used Master Lock 64 3D, but any Master Lock that has a combination code like this, these instructions will work. If you need to pause the video and follow these instructions, go ahead and do so. Very easy to do. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, leave a comment, put a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.